Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. We're in the lovely Benidorm. Let's see Wagwan, you guys all know the vibe. So we've just had a few drinks in the lovely new town, the main sort of bar area. We're just going to take a little wander down to the beach. Ah, look at that one there. That's probably the most modern one we've seen, isn't it?
It's loads, yeah.
Yeah, well it is a bit of a mixture, so there's some old looking ones and new ones. So yeah, the sun's out today, which is good. Finally got my tan lines, which is what I wanted. Little shady bit here, got where you get all your bikes, mobility scooters. See someone on a mobility scooter over there.
Hotel Gold.
Gold. Got the Hotel Presidente.
Go down to the end, let me take a ride.
Yeah. So you got the Royal Arrow there, sports, live music, cocktails.
Reflex.
Yeah, got your Reflex. Don't know. This is the thing, yeah. Some of these might be under reconstruction. Careful as you're crossing the roads. I think this one's under reconstruction just from the looks of it. Yeah. Probably will be open for if you're coming out sort of later on in the year. Got to remember we're sort of just out of season, so this is a good time, I suppose, for bars and restaurants to get themselves ready for the busy time. Wood Fire Grill, it's not open at the moment. So yeah, a little bit more quieter this side. Quite a nice modern hotel outside.
Hotel Presidente.
Presidente.
So £18 for a main course, pilau rice, garlic on or garlic naan, and or chapati, tea, coffee, and ice cream.
Yeah.
Starter, main course. Oh, not too bad.
Not too bad.
See what they do.
You'll catch up. Got a little supermarket. Got a nightclub just in front. So the town, cabaret, dancing show, nightclub. A few little bars up there. Let's cross over. So you got Cher, Beatles. Guessing this is going to be open later. So comment below if you have been to this one, you've seen some of the sort of musical acts. See, everyone loves the Beatles. So there we go. Talk of the town. And we're heading towards the beach just down there. So we're just seeing what's on this like little down street. You've got Hotels Benidorm. So yeah, a lot of these eating places, as you can see, a lot of these places are closed. I don't know if they open later or if it's just sort of wrong time of year. Probably a mixture of the two. So yeah, a lot of these are closed. Got your little souvenir shops. Again, just get your essentials in there. What's this place? Looks like it's closed as well. Oh no, it's open. Just very quiet. Got Insomnia there, nightclub, I'm guessing. Top show, striptease. Again, it's daytime, so you've got to imagine later on in the evening, a lot of these places will be open.
Here's the Crown.
Yeah, the Crown pub. Got a big screen in there. This is definitely open. Definitely. And then obviously we've gone down there. So if you watch some of our previous videos, you'll see the wild duck. Before we're going down to the beach.
Yeah, we're going to go down.
Yeah, so you would have seen these in some of our previous videos. This one I filmed on my cheapest beers. Oh, sorry. So yeah, I did this one just to show you what the prices were and stuff, so you are interested. Do check out the content. But yeah, always busy. Got a supermarket across the road. Yeah, this one we saw yesterday as well. So again, do check out the content. This one was also really busy. Exactly the same today. Actually, probably a little bit more Ramo today. Show you guys what they got going on. Hey! Everyone having a good time. And then yeah, you got the Pink Hotel. Which again I did show the other day. I think I'll cut through there. It's a little cut through. So yeah, if you are interested in the prices and stuff and what's going on in Newtown, do check out that content. I have done a whole price video. Just so you guys can see. Got a little bit more foods on this one. Open 24 hours. There's a little bit of a selection. Got your Jet2 holidays, that's who I flew with, Jet2. And then as you come to this sort of corner where you've got a roundabout, you've got a few places there as well.
Open today, is it?
Yeah.
Is this the one that was closed last time?
No, everything was open yesterday. Oh, what, the Neptune?
It's a different area, different
yeah.
part, it's a bit more newer hotels as well. Look, you've got the
Yeah.
these hotels, brand spanking new up here.
Yeah, and I did show these on the previous videos, so do have a look. Got your little fish and chip takeaway here. Which, yeah, so like you said, it's a little bit more of a mixture of new and old up this side. So along there you got your sort of tattoo place. If anyone wants to get your ink refreshed or get a new tattoo. Obviously there's plenty in Benidorm. Got your pizza, steak, buffalo beef. Always nice. And then obviously, as you can see straight ahead, you got the beach. Got your little places in between. This place, the Wine Barrels, this is a chain out here, so if you do want to get some booze, the Wine Barrel seems to be everywhere. Is their sort of their chain.
10-9, you're going to make it today. Perfect time for the 114 on the exchange rate today.
Right, let's cross over.
The exchange rate's been terrible for ages.
It has. I feel like people kind of expect that. I don't think those sort of glory days when we were sort of
The
younger,
145s.
yeah.
The 145.
I don't think anyone's expecting it to be that.
We do want it to be.
We would love it to be that, but you know.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hasn't been that for a very long time.
No, so long now.
Yeah. So as I said, we're walking more towards the sort of beachfront now. Got a few little shops in between. Again, all your sort of typical clothes stores. Everyone loves their ducks.
In the middle.
So yeah, and then it brings you to the main beach. So again, very small. If you are sort of wanting to do Old Town to New Town, this is one place where it's not really much of a walk, is it, to go from one to the other? Yeah. And again, you've got all of these to kind of keep you if you have got mobility issues. And then obviously Straight ahead, you got the Rock of Benidorm, iconic.
Really close together.
Yeah, it seems really close.
Yeah, it's like we just. Oh.
So yeah, so hope you guys have enjoyed the little video. We're going to love you and leave you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and everything in between. Hype. If you're new to the channel, check out the footage, and we will see you guys on our next destination. See you guys on the next one.